Hi, I'm Sylvia, and I work as a caseworker at ALS, the Faroese Employment Office. One of the requirements for claiming unemployment benefits is that you regularly confirm your unemployment on Vangin. This confirms your unemployment status over the previous 14-day period and also that you are still available to the labour market. This information helps ensure that you are paid the correct amount for each period. Here's a demonstration of how to confirm your unemployment on Vangin on a personal computer. First, you have to log on to Vangin. If the chosen language on Vangin is Faroese, you can change this to English in the top right corner. The website should now be in English. Choose Service Providers in the top menu, and then choose ALS. Choose Confirm Unemployment in the menu on the left. Tick I consent, and then choose Next. You now have to inform us whether you are still available for work. That is, that you are still unemployed. If that is the case, tick the box, Yes. You are now asked if you have been working the previous 14-day period. If your answer is no, then you can move on to the next question. If you have been working, you must tick the box Yes. You then have to inform us of your income, including holiday allowance, for each day worked. First, you inform us of the date you worked in the calendar, then how many hours you worked that day, and then the daily income, including holiday allowance. If you, for example, worked 8 hours, and the wage was 150 krona per hour, that amounts to 1,200 krona. You then have to add the holiday allowance, which is 12%, giving a total daily income of 1,344 krona. If your employer has not provided you with a pay slip, you have to ask them what the daily income is for any given day. You also have to inform us of the company's VAT number, Vital in Faroese. The number is usually found on the pay slip. If you can't find this number, please ask the employer. Then press Add to add days that you have been working. You are now asked 3 questions: whether you have qualified for any compensations, whether you have been paid holiday allowance, and whether you have been qualified for regular compensations or benefits or pension payments since the last time you confirmed your unemployment. Please tick the applicable boxes. Please choose Next in the bottom right corner to see a summary of the information that you entered and to confirm that the information is correct. Check that the information is correct and tick the confirmation box at the bottom of the page and choose Submit. You have now confirmed your unemployment status. If you have any further questions regarding this, you are more than welcome to contact us.